windows. You got 1-2 hour delays because of the sheet of ice on the secondary roadways, so enjoy a little extra time. From time to time, by the way, we are seeing some flurries now flying at skyscraper level. We are in the core of this Arctic air, and there's your flurries on radar right now as we do have the last of our storm from this morning now exiting stage right. There is a little bit of energy that may start to fire off some snow showers as we go into tomorrow, but boy, does this stick out. 17 degrees in town, 9 above to 19 for the outer suburbs. It is going to be a very cold night. They say misery loves company. How about a whole lot of company? Cold weather alerts flying from Chicago all the way down towards Florida. Can't get out of the cold. You'll have to go to Cuba because we have such cold going down towards Miami. Look at the feels like temperatures tomorrow morning when you're waking up and you're watching the morning show. -2 in Poughkeepsie, -8 in Liberty. Will be 3 above in the city, 4 as you get down towards the Jersey Shore. And the numbers don't move very far as the winds will stay gusty. Northwesterlies at 25 to 30 miles per hour will make the feels like into the teens, and another super cold night Monday night going into Tuesday. Daytime highs will struggle to get to 30 in all the boroughs, never getting out of the low 20s as you go north and west of town with that snowpack of 4 to 6 inches. And yes, we're starting to signal maybe more snow showers in the mix as we head towards tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. This is going to be tilted to the southwest, but there could be quick coatings as you get along I-78, I-80, and 287. Brutal air over us the next couple of days. This will go until at least Tuesday. Then the air starts to modify a little bit as the jet tries to pull to the north. There is a shot at us getting to around 50 degrees as we head towards the tail end of the week, but the consequence of that will be some rain showers, and we are expecting maybe more moderate rain showers through the region Thursday night into Friday. So cold it is for tomorrow and Tuesday. Daytime highs into the 30s. We start to turn this milder quarter back into the 40s by Wednesday and Thursday. There's your rain chances as we head towards the end of the week, but boy, will that feel good. If we touch 50 degrees, it's been 3 weeks since we got that mild. That's how below average it's been, but back down we go Saturday, right back into the 30s.